Logan. Today we're going to be mourning in the deaths of Paul the pine tree, Deborah the horse, and Sam the eubacteria. We are sorry for the loss of all these great contributors of the world. Now for a moment of silence to remember all we've lost.
So as you can see, Paul the pine tree lived a very full and exciting life, beginning it inside of a pine cone. He started off in a closed pine cone like the one on the left. Closed pine cones hold the seeds inside of them. When they open, like the one on the right, the seeds disperse into the soil. Rainwater helps nutrients from the soil absorb into the seed. Paul then was able to bud. He reaches the soil and he was able to begin photosynthesis, using light energy to make ATP, foods, and sugars for himself. Because of this, he's able to grow, and he grew a trunk. He then began to produce his own pine cones to make more trees. Paul was then grown up, and he began to live his life to the fullest as a pine tree. Paul sadly died due to a severe drought and lack of water, as well as a severe increase of fashion no-nos in his later life. Deborah the horse was not just any horse, but a super styling horse. She began her life just like humans do, when the sperm meets the egg and the egg develops into an embryo. She lived in her mother's womb as a fetus for 12 months before she was born. Once she was born, she was able to walk right away. She then began to develop into a magnificent adult horse. After living her life to the fullest as an adult horse, she died at the average horse age of 27 and met her handsome husband Philip in heaven, for he died just before her. Her and Philip had a daughter. She loved her almost as much as she loved shoes. She also loved fashion, not just shoes. Rest in peace, Deborah. Next to die is a bacterium named Sam. Bacterium don't have genders, which is why Sam was given such a gender-neutral name. They reproduce asexually, meaning Sam is an exact copy of his mother. To reproduce asexually, bacteria go through what's called binary fission, which is where the DNA replicates from the mother cell and a crosswalk forms, forming two daughter cells. Sam is a perfect example of one of the daughter cells from his mother. Sam lived a long life as a bacteria, later dying due to natural causes. Rest in peace, Sam.
To support Paul, Deborah, or Sam's families in their time of need, please call the number below.